There you go. All right, guys, so we are live now and it's time to go. I'm going to share the screen and we'll get through with the lesson. So let's start with this. All right, let's see. Let's give you guys. All right, guys, so this is always a nice one to start with. So here, that's black to move. I'll show you black's move. Now we've been over a few tactile themes now, double tacks, pins, skewers. And the thing is, just because you get into one doesn't mean, because sometimes you can escape out of attacks like that. And so that's why you should be aware of your own defenses. You should be aware of your opponent's defensive possibilities. And that's what we're gonna practice today. So in this position here, let's say the rook comes here, double attacks the knight and the bishop. For example, here, I think the answer is shown here, but basically, yeah, Gloria, you can try answering.
Is the answer bishop e2?
Yeah, so bishop e2, bishop moves and defends the knight. So this is, again, an example of a defense. And basically, there's three ways you can defend a piece. And so you can move it. So let's rearrange this. I just want to show you guys different ways. Oh no, let's reset that. I just want to show you guys different ways to defend a piece. So the main ways, let's rearrange that right here. For example, let's say this knight is under attack. Now I'm just gonna put a bishop here. For example, if our knight is under attack, then we have three ways to defend this. The most common one and logical one is we can just move the knight away. Our knight is attacked, the knight moves away. What we can also do is whatever piece is attacking you, you can capture that piece, or you can go, the knight is under attack. Instead of moving the knight, we can use another piece to defend the knight. So we can move the bishop here, defending the knight. So here, guys, for example, what is the best way? Which one would you go with? Let's go, Xisi.
I prefer moving the knight away.
Okay, so moving the knight away. And yeah, like depending on different positions, different answers will be correct. But yeah, so we can move the knight away, saves the knight. Here, I would just take the rook here. Because some of your opponents, like, they won't realize that their piece is hanging. They'll put in a bad square. So here we can just take the rook. But yeah, all three ways work. So you can defend with another piece, move the piece away, or you can just, if you can, capture the piece that's attacking it. So this will really depend on the position, but just keep that in mind, there's ways to defend there. All right, so this is a good one to try. Basically, guys, what's gonna happen here is it's black to move and black plays this move. Now, guys, bishop's far away. Be careful with them, especially when they got a long open diagonal. So here, black went rook a1 with the pin. Keeps doing that. All right, so rook a1 with the pin. Now our queen is in a pin with the king. And for example, here, what is white's best move here? Should white just give up the queen here? Or should white look at other ways to defend? For example, here, the queen is under attack. We can try to move the queen away. We can use another piece to block it or to defend the queen. We can also take the rook. So let me just show you guys what I mean. For example, here, it would be we can capture the rook, which, worst case scenario, if we're going to lose the queen, we could do that. We try to move the queen away, but we really can't because we're in a pin. So guys, what is our best move? Gloria.
Rook C1.
That's right. Rook C1 blocking. I accidentally showed it at the start. I didn't mean to, but yeah, Rook C1, another piece blocks the rook threat. So yeah, guys, just keep those three options in mind. You can capture the piece directly if you can, move whatever piece is being attacked out of the way or run away, or you can get another piece in to help out. All right. So let's see here. So not this one. Let's try this one, guys. This is a good one. So yeah, here it is black to move, and black played this move. So black went knight to b4, check, and the knight here was attacking the king and attacking the queen, the fork. So guys, what is white's best move here? And to make it a little more trickier, just a little, because you guys are the intermediate class, I won't play the knight there. I'll just draw the arrow. So guys, knight move to d4. What is white's best move? So just visualize the knight being here. It's a small thing, but it'll help you get better at visualizing. Okay, let's go Cece.
Queen E3.
Queen E3. All right, so Queen E3, moving the queen away. Oh, so your king is in a check, and the queen is attacked. So you can't move the queen yet. You gotta move the king, or I think maybe not. It is, yeah. I know this one's a little tougher, not because it's that hard, but because I'm making you guys visualize there. So, and that's good. Let's go, Gloria.
Bishop captures.
There you go. And again, this is a little tricky to see, but yeah, this bishop can capture. If I showed you guys the position from here, you guys would have gotten it easily. Oh, the king's in a check, bishop takes. But the reason we're doing this arrow is to, again, make you guys visualize just a little bit. Just one move ahead. It doesn't seem like a lot, but I swear, it'll make a difference in your visualization skills. It'll make you train, and that's the whole point. So yeah, here, we're in a check. We can run the king away. We can't really stop this knight, but our bishop can, and that's what we do. So good one there. Let's see. Until 3:15, we'll keep it light. We'll keep it a lot easier. So, okay, let's look at this position here. So it's here it's actually black to move, and black played this move. Queen d6. Now I want you guys to just find me white's best move here. I'll give you no hints or anything. Best of luck. I'll give you guys 20 seconds on this one. All right. What do you think, CC?
Rook h3.
Rook h3, nice move. So it moves the rook away. So the rook runs away while defending the knight. And now the queen can't do anything. So good one there. Very good one. There you go, queen h4. And attacking the rook and the knight. Yes, CC.
Rook h1.
That's right, rook h1, defending the knight. So good one there. Good job there. All right, so let's see. Let's do a few more warm-up ones. Let's try this one, guys. Find me white's best move in this position. And really, just be aware of the whole board. Kind of like just jot down what's happening, Is white safe here? Is white not? What's going on? And then what's the best move? All right, guys, take your time here. I'll give you guys like 15 more seconds to think about it, and then I'll pick somebody and we'll answer. Okay. Let's go, Gloria. What do you think, Gloria?
93.
93, good job. And because this was the main threat, and guys, this is such a common little thing people try to do is queen h3 and then a pawn here or bishop here sometimes. Sometimes you'll see like a bishop or bishop like way over here that's helping the attack. But yeah, basically 93 defends this main square. And now the queen can't checkmate because we can just take. So good job there. Let's see. After this one, we'll make it. This is a good one, actually. So here, find me white's best move. What's happening is that you should be able to see a pin here. Our rook is in a pin, and this bishop is under attack by 2 pieces, but only 1 defending. And just think about the position, think about your options, what you could do, and best of luck. All right, so let's go CC.
Bishop is a3.
Bishop a3, taking the bishop. All right, so let's see what happens there. So the bishop is in a pin, and if we move the bishop, we capture the bishop, then the rook takes our rook. And here, it's not, we didn't lose too much, but we still, if you look at it, we lost a 5-point rook, and in return, we got a bishop. So we gain 3 points, bishop, but we lose a rook, 5 points. 3 minus 5 or 5 minus 3, 2 points. We lost 2 points here, probably gonna lose more. So this isn't quite a good try, but not quite. there's a better move where we can defend the rook here, where we don't lose any points at all. Good try though. Yes, Gloria.
Wait, okay, when you said we don't lose any points, that kind of stumped me, but like my original answer was bishop b2.
Yeah. Bishop b2, yeah. Actually, yeah. It's like I don't know why I thought there's more to it, but yeah, bishop b2 is the move. And what this move does is you're defending the rook. And that's the main point here. If they take, then we just take back and we just escape that pin somehow. And
We could take with a black bishop. Like the
oh, the bishop can take, yeah. So that was the other part. If the bishop book, notice our rook has an attack on the rook. So we can take a rook. And now we are up in exchange. We are up a rook, but lost the bishop. So we're up a 2-point exchange. So good try there. So what's happening here that might have, confused you is that when we go here, now this rook is attacking that rook. So it's like a mini discovered attack / defense. So I know we haven't done discovered attacks yet, but basically moving this bishop creates contact between the rooks. Now both rooks are attacking each other. So a little tricky, but good job on getting it. Let's see. Now this is a pretty important one too, but find me white's best move, same thing, or white's best combination. And yeah, best of luck. All right, let's see. Cece.
bishop f1.
Bishop f1, defending the g2 threat. So logical move, We don't get checkmated. That's good. Let's see, any other answers? Let's go, Gloria.
I was gonna say the same thing as Cece, although another one that I thought of, although I don't think it's gonna work as well, is like bishop e1, but
So bishop e1.
yeah, but there's still the threat of checkmate.
Okay, I see. So
Like my next answer was Cece's, but I think Cece's works.
So good job there, and I guarantee you most of your opponents will probably just play this. And that's the thing about chess, is sometimes some moves are just hidden. So guys, here, we're defending the checkmate, but if we see what's gonna happen after, white can just take our pawn and then we lose a rook. So we're probably gonna lose this game still. But what if I told you instead of bishop f1, there's a way we can actually win this game? But we gotta think outside of the box. And I know the whole class was on defense, but guys, now here's the critical point here. And this is what honestly separates the newer / intermediate level beginners, intermediate level players from the more advanced to good players, is that the good players, even when they're supposed to be defending, they're always aware of their attacking chances. So here, if you shift your focus away from defending to attacking, then you might see some new array of moves. With that being said, let's go Cece.
Rename.
Oh, Andrew.
Rook d8.
Rook d8, and then, so king is gonna go here.
The rook h8.
A good try, good try. I mean, you went down fighting rook a8 and then rook h8. They take the rook, but at least we went down fighting. There's another better move, and you're gonna have to think back too on some other ideas. But again, if I show it like this, it might be easier to see. Let's put it here. So king goes on h7, and then what? Gloria.
Bishop d3.
You guys see this? The pinning the queen and the king. I love this one. Yeah. Now bishop e3, and guess what? The queen cannot checkmate us because the king is in a pin. So guys, where did this come from? Suddenly we're winning a queen. Suddenly now we're gonna win the game. And guys, remember how this all started. Yes, we were supposed to, we start from here, but instead of just looking for one defense, we were also aware of our own way to attack. So we saw, wait, let's see, let's check the king. Where's he gonna go? Okay, what attack can we do from this position? Oh, bishop h7. Sorry, bishop d3. And then we can get the queen. So guys, the main point, main message here is the best defense is offense. So sometimes guys, like, just because you're being attacked doesn't mean you should stop attacking. Doesn't mean you should start shelling up, backing away, you know, losing material. So let's see this position here. This is kind of a tricky one, kind of tricky, but again, doable. Yeah, so here guys, white to move. Find me white's best move. Best of luck. Good try, Andrew. I like how I like how you learned from my last example. You're looking for ways to attack. Now, there's this threat, the main one. That's right, the king can attack too. Queen g2, checkmate. So if we go rook e3, we attack the queen, but queen can still go here, checkmate. But still, guys, don't stop looking for other attacking moves too. This is just one way to attack. What other ways could it be? Keep your eyes open, keep on searching, keep on calculating, and eventually you'll find it. Let's go, CC.
Bishop f1, attacking the king.
Good one. And then when the king goes on g4, king is on g4 now. Try to imagine that. Gloria.
Bishop g2.
Bishop g2, attacking the queen. And again, guys, this move, like, you guys probably would easily see it if I didn't make it visualize. But that's the point, is I want you guys to visualize this because it'll train your brain that extra. And when it comes to playing the games, it's going to feel that much easier. So bishop f1, king g4, bishop e2, not quite, but there's a better move. So king is on here, queen is here. What does that remind you of? There's two pieces on the same diagonal, and you have a bishop that goes on that diagonal. Yes, CC.
Bishop e2.
And then bishop e2. So do you guys kind of see it? I'll say it one more time. So I'll go try to visualize this with me, guys, and see if you can see the final position. Bishop f1, check. king goes to g4. So king is here now, bishop is here. And then bishop f1 goes to e2, pins the queen and the king. So I'll draw a different arrow for pins the queen and the king. And now I'll play it, see if this matches your visualization. And now it's like that. So guys, see, another possibility, another great move that came from us looking at attacking moves, you know. We didn't just straight up think, you know, oh, resign now, we're gonna get checkmated. We thought, okay, we can attack this way, we can attack this way. Then we saw some nice moves. All right, so let's see here. Not that one. Let's see, let's give you guys a good one. So let's try this one, guys. Simple endgame one, but yeah, white to move. Find me white's best move. Best of luck. Here, 1 second. All right, let's go, Gloria.
Bishop f5.
Bishop f5 pins the pawn, pins the king. Again, to show, you know, these tricks and defenses, they work on endgames too. So nice little simple one there. Let's see. I accidentally showed that one. But this one, same scenario, just you just go bishop d1, pinning the queen, attacking, so that they can't do that checkmate. So let's see here. This is a nice one actually. So guys, here, let me just explain what's happening. We are black here. So see this? This is us. And so black's pawns, remember, go from row 8 to 1. So our pawns are going this way. White's pawn are going this way. So this pawn is about to promote. And now you probably see a threat now. And how should we go about defending that? Can we defend it? This pawn's way too far away. Best of luck, guys. I'll see what you guys have to say. All right, let's go, Cece.
The best way to do it is to keep attacking their king. So you move the knight to f4.
Knight f4. Okay. Oh, sorry, I might have shown you that too soon. But knight f4, and now again, visualizing now. Knight f4. Let's say we play that move, and let's say the king goes like f3. What do we do next? Now our knight is on f4. Try to visualize it there, and try to see from that position, what's black's best move? Remember the threat here, so be careful of that. Okay, keep on thinking, guys. So the knight is on f4 check, king go to f3. Now this knight, what should it do? Should we just move this knight anywhere? Or, okay, let's go, Cece.
You should move your knight to g6.
There you go, knight g6, the second move here. Good visualizing too. Knight g6, what's it doing? It's defending h8. Now the pawn cannot promote. So here, king goes to f3, and then knight goes to g3. Great, great, great. And now we have stopped the pawn from promoting. So let's see here. Let's give this one a shot. So yeah, here it's white to move. We are black, and what white did was white went rook f1, attacking our bishop. Or I'll play it like this. Same scenario. So rook f1, white just played this move. Let's give white the red color. So white just played rook f1. Now, what is black's best move from that position? Best of luck. All right, guys, I'll give you 20 more seconds on this one. Take your time. Remember, you're looking for black's best move after white just played rook f1. So again, a little bit of visualizing, but nothing too crazy. I'm not making you guys do like, 2 moves ahead, but it should make a difference. It should make your brain make more effort. And the more effort that you make, the better you get at visualizing. And the better you get at visualizing, then when you play your games, you're going to blunder less. You're going to see your opponent's attacks coming way better, and you're just going to be winning way more frequently. So let's go. Gloria, what do you think?
Bishop g2.
Bishop g2, great one. And yeah, bishop g2. And if you can see it, now this bishop on g2 is attacking the king and attacking this rook on f1, double attack, and our rook is defending it. So sneaky rook. Well, yeah, here, yes, CC.
I was thinking of a different move, bishop g4.
Bishop g4. So rook. So bishop g4. The king can go away. It's still pretty even. And this is where you have to compare moves. But bishop, bishop g2, you win the whole rook. Good try, though. Good try. Very sneaky one. Well, yeah, this is why being good at defending can help you win in some scenarios. All right, guys. So now what we're gonna do is I got this one for you. All right, guys. So white to move. Find me white's best move. Best of luck. Okay, so let's go, Cece. What do you think? What is white's best move?
Knight b5.
Knight b5. Good try. Very good effort. Like right direction. So basically, knight b5, what it's doing is attacking the pawn here and attacking the queen and attacking the bishop. It looks great, right? But the only problem is this thread here. Remember this classic stress. So knight b5, then the queen just goes here, checkmate. So what else can we do? Now we know why this doesn't work, because the queen can checkmate. And let's keep thinking on this one, guys. I'll give you guys 30 more seconds. Take your time. All right, guys. It's okay. Keep taking your time here. Keep up the good work. And now the problem was this move, right? And also there's this checkmate too. So it's hard to defend these two squares because, again, if we will knight b here. If we go like knight b5, knight g5, then the queen goes here, or the queen goes here, checkmate. If we go knight f4, at least knight f4 defends that, but same thing, queen goes to a1, checkmate. So guys, now with that being said, we looked at two moves that attack the queen. Now, here's my question. Let's change our focus. How can we, is there any other ways we can attack? And again, like remember, best defense is offense. So it's hard to defend this right now. But do we have any other ways to just attack in general? Like attack the king. Now think about it from that perspective. See if that gives you any ideas. Knight b5 was close, by the way. That's gonna be my hint. All right, let's go, Gloria.
The queen is probably gonna capture us with this one, but our queen goes to c5.
Queen c5. Yeah, you know, better than nothing. But same thing. The queen can even just checkmate us straight away. Good try. All right, guys. So in these situations, we can start looking at our attacking moves. Our attacks, our forcing moves. When we look at that, this is a good one. Again, well, can we check the king in any way? Can we? See, when you start looking at these attacking moves, then you can generate some new ideas, and that's the idea. Let's go, CC.
Queen a7.
Yeah, queen a7. This is a crazy move. All right, let's say if the king takes, now the king is on a7. And then what? Now the final move, guys. Now our queen just took on a7. The king just took back. Now the king is right here on a7. Visualize that. Then tell me what we can do now. Gloria.
Now can we do knight b5?
Yes, we can. Because now The knight is attacking the king. Check. And the knight is attacking the queen. And if we get this queen out, this whole attack is over. So guys, very sneaky one. And remember, this one would have been hard if we just focused on defending this. So we change our focus to our attack. We see this crazy queen sacrifice, by the way. Anyways, just to make it white's move. So queen takes, knight goes here now, and then we take the queen. So very tough combination, but good job, guys. Like, you see the idea now, and that's the whole point. All right, so let's see what we're gonna do now. I'm just